Oh, he's in the tree.
Is he? There he is.
So we just put the traps down on the tree base and around the house, and we'll get them. We even have traps that go in the gutters.
See, the bad part is the upstairs.
Yeah,
It's empty.
Oh, is it empty?
Yeah, it's not. There's no apartment upstairs.
Oh, is it okay, okay. But did they go up in the attic at all?
I'm not sure.
There you go.
He's mad about something, ain't he?
Now he's calling for his friends. That could be a juvenile calling for his parents.
There's two small ones around here.
Oh, he went around back to the kitchen. Let's see what's going on then.
So, yeah, they can get in. They're up in there. Oh, he's around here. Here? He's up in there.
Oh boy, I gotta take more pictures.
Yeah. And that's that one, and the back one you'll see when you go around the back. I'm sure if I checked everything, there's probably holes all over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take photos. I mean, they're just chewing through everything.
Yeah. Just be careful back there.
Okay, great.
Okay.
No problem. Thank you. Let's go see this creature because I only have a short time to put a video out. They're in the trees. Oh, there he is. He's ruining the roost. Hey, up there. What you up to? More holes. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to really tie up this house. Some gaps. Yeah, this whole thing's gotta be capped off. They're getting into this addition. All kinds of corners. Yeah, they're just climbing up. Alright, and the chimney, cap that off. Let's go back around. Once I finish this video, I will start taking photos. Hey, Derek with Eliminex. Got my work cut out for me on this one. Just hopefully, we can get this approved, get this started, because this looks like a project. Especially if spring's coming, then that's probably going to be double or even triple the amount of squirrels I got to catch versus winter time, which is right now. Okay, thank you.